How to fix Facebook story quality on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook story quality on Android phone. First thing, open Facebook and go to the storylines here, and now scroll down, and here you will find settings and privacy, and then click settings. Now scroll down until you find here media, click on it, and as you see here you will find data saver. Now all you need to do, just click optimize it, and as you see data saver have been disabled. Now just scroll down and make this one here on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and that's it. Now just go back and your problem will be fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.